Consider a line with slope 2 passing through the point 1, 3 shown here on the right. To find the slope of a line, we take the change in the y values divided by the change in the x values from 2 points from the line. Well, we have 1 point, so we can replace 1x and the corresponding y from that point in our formula. We also can derive the slope from this graph. So filling in that information, in place of our y sub 1, we will put the y value from the point. In place of x sub 1, the corresponding x coordinate from our point, we will replace that value with 1 from our point. And furthermore, for slope, which is rise over run, which is indicated here, a rise of 2 for every run of 1, to describe the slope or steepness of the line that we have here, we have a ratio of 2 over 1 for slope. Simplifying this equation, we can multiply both sides by the least common denominator, which is here x sub 2 minus 1. To simplify this multiplication, we have common factors in the numerator and the denominator on the left, leaving y sub 2 minus 3, and on the right, the denominator of 1 is not going to affect anything, leaving us with 2 times that quantity. This resulting equation then can be transformed by dropping the subscripts for that second point, which we would have used in the original equation to find the slope of a line, to give us our point slope equation, which can be written anytime a line's slope and a point on the line are known. Here is that original slope of 2. Here's the x coordinate and the y coordinate of the given point.